Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमूल में देवे सज्जनों अब वक्त है फीमेल्स 62 यानी के 62 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की साक्षी मालिक। महिलाओं के इस 62 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रही हैं अजरबैजान मूल की तात्याना ओमेलचेंको।
There we have India's pride, first female wrestler to win India an Olympic medal. Bronze in the Rio Olympics, Sakshi Malik playing for pride here. She knows they're not making it to the final. Taking on Tatyana Omelchenko from Azerbaijan, 24-year-old in the women's 62 kilograms category.
Well, did you hear the roar when Sakshi walked from the tunnel? That was amazing.
There we have match referee Irina Ostaper commencing second last bout of the day. Sakshi Malik,
The skipper.
super inspiration for women across this country, for little girls looking to make it big in the sport of wrestling or in any sport. She's made India proud.
And that's Satyavrat Kadian, her better half and her coach from Rohtak. Again, they practice in their own akhada at their residence in Rohtak. Sakshi's father-in-law, again an Arjuna awardee, Satyavan Kadian. Again, she is getting a lot of support from her family. Let's see how this battle shapes up.
Absolutely, and Sakshi Malik, a product of the Pro Wrestling League. She believes strongly that she shaped her Olympic dreams starting from the Pro Wrestling League. There you see the Champions Trophy, the mascot holding on to it.
That's Falad Singh for people. Again, Sakshi Malik. Look at her posture. Look at her body weight. She is up there. She has increased her weight from 57 kg category to 62. And that makes it difficult for her to compete against the bigger built girls, wrestlers from across the world.
Absolutely, Sakshi Malik, the champion that she is, always looking to up her game, to up her skill set.
Sakshi walks into this PWL with 26 points and Tatyana has 23 points. Sakshi also has the height and the reach difference as compared to Tatyana. But again, let's see. Here the difference doesn't matter.
At the end, it comes down to what they do in the 6 minutes that have been assigned to them. Sakshi, no doubt, coming in with a bunch of victories. She's not lost a single bout.
Right.
Defeating all the 4 opponents that she's taken on in this league.
In fact, Sakshi was the most successful Indian wrestler in the past 2 editions. And talking about her experience in Pro Wrestling League, which is all the more formidable, she was in the same team as we said, the higher weight categories from USA.
Absolutely, but this one, Tatyana will want to consolidate on Haryana's victory. Sakshi will look to play for pride.
Well, she's already got 1 point on the scorecard. Can she gather more momentum with just 20 seconds to go? Let's see.
Tatyana, the girl from Azerbaijan, taking on India's pride, Sakshi Malik, as we close in on the final few seconds of round 1. Sakshi Malik's husband looking on.
Sakshi initiated the attack and now in a spot of bother. Tatiana, has she got enough on the board? No, looks tough.
There you see the Delhi Sultans team members still smiling. Bout number 8, the round 2 coming your way. Delhi Sultans playing for pride, looking for the collar tie. Sakshi Malik being countered. Tatiana from Azerbaijan taking on the Olympic medalist. They're grappling each other out, looking to intimidate and get into the head of the opponent. We saw what psychology can do. We saw it in the last bout.
Well, that's Mr. Kartikeya Sharma, the promoter of Pro Wrestling League and Pro Sportify. Doing a brilliant job. You see a full packed here, and that's...
Absolutely. We have a full house here. We have the Indo-Tibetan Border Force here. We have the Rajputana Rifles here. It's an electrifying atmosphere in the Greater Noida Stadium in UP. In semi-final number 2, Mr. Andrew Cook, the coach for the Haryana Hammers, will be very happy today with how well his team has performed.
Look at Sakshi. Look at Sakshi. She's trying to get in from the right side of Tatiana's side. She hasn't been able to do it, though.
Coach Irina Ostapuk looking. That's the signaling to the wrestlers to come close, not be passive. There you see the leg lace attempt by Sakshi Malik. And she's raced to 3 points, Sunil.
Yes, Tatiana has a very formidable defense, and as Sakshi keeps on coming on her strongly. Look at this move. Sakshi initiated the attack. Tatiana went down on the mat, and again, she just pulled herself in, and that's the gated.
Absolutely. Sakshi Malik showing us why she is a champion. Tatiana, on the other hand, needs to pull a rabbit out of the hat.
In fact, she has managed to pull 2 points, and the difference is only 2 points right now. Satyavrat looking in a spot of bother right now. Again, Sakshi doing a good job. Just 1 minute to go. Can she hold on to her 2 minutes lead?
Can she hold on to the 2-point lead as we close in on to the 50 seconds of round 2?
Sakshi looks in a bit of a problem right now as Tatiana has held her by the waist.
But Sakshi countering it with a gut wrench, not letting Tatiana get the better of her. Tatiana is holding firm. She knows Sakshi is looking for the gut wrench. She sticks her ground, holds on.
That's where Tatiana loses her confidence and her balance.
And now we see a little bit of time wastage tactics here, as Sakshi knows it's the final few seconds and she knows she's got this one here.
Tatiana getting rough, but Sakshi has all the experience to hold it back. Sakshi not doing, it's rough, but Sakshi has won for Delhi.
And Sakshi continues her unbeaten streak in the league. The pride of this league, her husband jubilant. He knows they're out, but the Delhi Sultans win it for the pride of their team.
The victory has come a little too late, but Sakshi, with all her experience, pulling her might and winning this.